Okay, welcome back to TOMTalks. In this video, I'm showing you the Away, the bigger carry-on, which is the gray one on the right, and then my Away, the carry-on expandable version, which is the black on the left. And I've taken both of them on one trip so far. Maybe two with the black, I can't remember, but this is what they look like after a trip, both in pretty good shape. But I wanted you to be able to see basically the size difference, and you can see it's slight. The gray one on the right is slightly bigger. Now I'm gonna try to, I can't get my head in the frame with this angle, but I'm gonna try to go over there and show you with the ruler I'll try to move them a little for you. So, you know, if you can see this ruler I've got here along the top, it's not much along the top for extra height, because they got to stay within that 22-inch height with the wheels, which they did very well on the bigger carry-on. So it's, you know, it's maybe, I don't know, trying to guess here, an inch or less. But then I'll show you the side profile. And I don't have the expandable one expanded. Let me try to get them. I'm just gonna come back and make sure that's in the frame for you. That's the side profile. You can see again, the expandable one, well, looking at it, looks, you know, about the same, maybe slightly slimmer. But I'll just pan down a second for you here. Yeah, just a little bit shorter. And then if you expand it, it gets wider. Of course, they say if you expand it, you know, you might have to check it on the way back. That's kind of the risk as it gets wider. But let's measure here the inches on the black. It's just under 9 on the button. And I hope I'm not in your way too much. Here, if I do it like this. Or maybe if I go from the wheels, because that outer wheel is, because I guess that's round a little bit. Yeah, right under 9 as well. So they both got the nice zippers here, but that's the side profile. And you can see here again, if I run this pretty flat, we got this little bit around it, and with your eye you can tell it's taller. So it does get you a little extra space, which I could tell packing it. They do a good job of getting that extra space inside. Other differences, the expandable one, I've got the battery in the hard shell, the larger one, no battery in the expandable. I forget if it's an option, but I didn't get it in this one. I like this material, but I will tell you, I noticed with the expandable one, the black, it picks up, if you lay it on the floor, it picks up everything, you know, just being black, and it's not hard shell. So you feel like sand or dirt, it seems to cling to it more. And I'm hoping you can see this, but the side profile, as a reminder, this one has the front pocket I got for the laptop, and it's quite nice, and got an extra little zipper bag here, and then a pouch. I think maybe you can put a tablet, I forget. But I like how slim it zips if you're not using it. So let's show you the back of this one. Okay, I think I'll do a full turn back and front, and then this one full turn back and front. And I'm kind of learning as we do this, examining any differences. I noticed packing this one, you know, this will stretch a little more, so you should be careful if you load it too much and stretch that. But both great bags. What I really like is how much you can pack inside with the compression packing, and check out some of my other videos where I show that. But the smaller one, definitely, the reason I got that one first was for international airlines. Like in Europe, the sizes are smaller than the big three here in the US. Oh, here we are back looking at the bottom of the Away, the bigger carry-on on the right and the carry-on expandable on the left. And I was just saying that you can tell the black one, which is the carry-on, is slightly smaller. And I got that one first because I planned to use it for international travel. And I still think if I was going to Europe and jumping, you know, one of the cheaper flights from city to city, I might take that one just to be safe, because they say the bigger carry-on will fit on the domestic 3 big US airlines. And I proved that's true with Delta, American, United, checking it in the sizer, and check out my videos if you haven't seen those. But the black one is made for the international most requirements, the smaller one, and so I'd probably take that one to Europe. But on domestic trips, I really like the bigger one for a little extra space. So if this keeps recording, I was gonna just try to turn them once more for you here, so you get the entire, I guess, view of them. Well, I think I started out with them something like this, so we could end that way with the side view. And if you're deciding between the two, again, here's the ruler across the top. I'm gonna go back. I think the side view is the best for really getting the size difference. And I've tried to get you at eye level here. Yeah, there you go. So that's basically your, you know, your height difference. And then the width, not much it seems to me. And I don't know about the, well, let me just turn them. I forget if they say, the dimensions are on a Away website. I'll try to look again, but I don't know if this one is any, the black, it's like 12, 13. Maybe the black is slightly 12. I can't remember if it's any less wide. Sorry about that, the camera keeps quitting, but all I was saying in conclusion here is just that you can definitely tell the black's a little shorter. I don't know if it's any less wide. It kind of looks a little bit smaller, and the dimensions are on the Away website, so you can check there. But I wanted to give you this feedback, thoughts on the size after 2 trips. Basically, I think if you're going international, I would still start with the smaller one to be safe, if you're trying to not pay baggage fees over there. But if you're going to travel domestic more, carry-on only, then the bigger carry-on definitely gets you more space. So it's all up to you what you want to do more of. And I do like the hard side because of how easy it is to clean. The expandable is nice for that extra peace of mind, but in case you buy stuff at your destination. But I've sort of found that I tend to just pack the bag full when I leave, and that's what's going to be in it when I come back. So I don't know if I would expand it and pay to check it, I might if I found something really great. So I guess it gives you some flexibility for things you pick up at your destination, or if you even pick up clothing, etc. So hope this was helpful. If you're trying to decide between the two bags, I like them both. I'll give you an update down the road. Thanks for watching. See you next time.